Hey guys, so let's fix this issue. You have to just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. So this solution is applicable for Windows 11 system as well as Windows 10 operating system. So in the first step, you have to just right click on this star icon and select device manager. Now on this window you have to find out the keyboards, so just click on this icon to expand this and right click here, select properties. Now you have to select the drivers tab. Here there are multiple tabs, so select the drivers tabs only. After that, click on update driver and make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Then here you will get the two options like search automatically for drivers and another one is browse my computer for drivers. So we have to select the first one, and the best drivers for the particular device will be installed automatically. Then you have to close this option and then simply restart the system. So that's it guys. Check out the pin command, that will also help you to fix this issue. And don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel. You're good to go.